Hi, everybody, and welcome to week one of Theatre Arts. This is our first lesson for 2020-2021, so I'm really excited. So this video, I'm just going to be explaining to you guys what we're actually going to be doing in the slides. So that way it's a lot easier for you to go through things. Make sure that you come to Friday for our live Zoom class. So I'm excited to work with you online, and this is what we're going to be doing each week. So the first thing that we need to remember is our norms and expectations. Be ready to learn. So these are the things that you need to know about when you are about to do specials class. So we have here the Google Aspire Schools, and this is our specials page, and this is what you go to all the time, and this helps you see what it is that we are doing. I want you to check your environment. So make sure that you are somewhere where you can move around, make sure that you have comfortable clothing on, make sure that you have a pen and paper ready so you're ready to write some things down. Have some water nearby and no distractions. So no distractions means that your parents aren't coming in or your siblings or you don't have the TV on. Make sure that you're in a really calm environment, okay? All right, so now we have our Zoom ground rules. So these are the things that we need to remember for class. So no chat while the teacher is talking, okay? We can't do that because otherwise nobody is going to understand what is being said. Make sure that you are on time, okay? Mute yourself. So you should all know how to use the mute button. Turn on your video. We want to see your lovely faces. Be prepared. So that means come ready to learn, okay? Raise your hand if you want to talk and be respectful. You can also have an adult nearby just in case, you get a little confused with what is going on. Okay. All right, our specials goals for 2020. If you have a look here, in your own time, you are going to read these rules, and I want you to think about these rules. What do they mean? We have listening, confidence, emotional intelligence, and negotiation. Listening. So I want you to also take some time to think about how is online learning different from learning in the classroom. So what are the similarities and what are the differences? So I want you to really think about this, and we will be speaking about this in class on Friday at the live Zoom. Husky Pledge. So I think all of you should know the Husky Pledge by now. We take care of our school, our teachers, and most importantly, ourselves. So I want you to remember all of the hand gestures that we do for that. And I want you to write down what these mean in specials, what this means for theatre arts and PE. How do we take care of our school? How do we take care of our teachers? How do we take care of ourselves while we are doing distance learning online? What does that mean for the Husky Pledge? Okay, tongue twister warm-up time, one of my favorites. So we were doing tongue twisters all last year, and this year it is no different. We're going to be doing our tongue twisters as well. So I want you to think about if you can remember any tongue twisters from last year. And the kindergarten kids who are joining, a tongue twister is where we kind of warm up our voices so we're really clear when people listen to us. So this week's tongue twister is I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream, right? Who likes ice cream? I love ice cream. I think my favorite ice cream is probably still vanilla, but I also like pistachio. So your challenge is to see if you can say this 5 to 10 times, right? With no mistakes. So I'm going to do it, and you can maybe follow along. I'm going to do it 3 times, trying to go as fast as I can. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, You scream, we all scream for ice cream. Wow, that was hard. I'm going to try that one time super fast. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So, your challenge, I want you to practice that. See if you can do it 10 times, 5 or 10 times, and then practice with your family. Okay, activity time. This is what you are going to be doing this week. As you can see, we have some lovely little emojis over here. Okay, and these are all different emotions, right? So if we think about these 5 emotions, happy, sad, angry, excited, and scared, I want you to choose 5 emojis, 5 of those emojis, and I want you to act out the following activities, okay, doing these emojis. So you might be washing the dishes, okay, and maybe I'm going to choose this one here, scared, right? If you can see with my mouse. So I'm going to choose to do the dishes. Remember, we're play acting, scared. And I'm going to get a family member to guess what my emotion is from my emotion emoji. So I'm doing the dishes. Here I am. Okay, maybe I'm also reading a book and I'm really excited. Okay, so I want you to think about some emojis and practice them. Okay, presentation skills. This is a lovely little video which is explaining presentation skills. We started to work a lot on presentation skills last year, and this year we are going to be learning how to do presentation skills online because it's a little different from when we're presenting in person. So when you get a chance, have a look at that. Remember, all of this is on the Google Deck slide that you will get. Okay, and as a bonus, okay, I made a welcome video for you guys. So I will see all of you on Friday for your specials Zoom classes. And remember, all of that information is going to be on the Facebook page and on the specials Google site. You can always call and contact me, and I will see you all Friday for specials. Mwah! Bye.